Hey guys, happy Halloween. Also for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys, but we're going to be doing a get ready with me. So for this year, I'm being Wonder Woman. So I already have my, let's just get on to it. So first things first, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I'm going to be doing off camera since I haven't perfected my eyebrow routine. So I will be right back. So basically afterwards, I'm going to be doing my eyes. I don't know why, but this is just the order that I personally like to go by. Yeah, so Wonder Woman, obviously her makeup is literally flawless, so natural. And concealer on my eyelids. I should probably move my mirror out of the way. Basically now I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer. This didn't say light medium, I'm just going to be putting a little bit on my eyelids. With my Morphe Beauty Blender, I'm just going to be blending this all in. Now I'm going to be using my Tarte palette today. I'm going to be using my Tarte palette for today's makeup look. I'm obviously doing Wonder Woman, so she's very light neutral makeup. So I'm just going to go into the color S'mores over here just to set this whole makeup look that I have going on. I'm just going to take, what is this? I'm just taking this random Morphe brush. And I'm just going to be dusting this all over. And this is going to set the concealer that I just placed down. Okay, so next I'm going to be going into the color Latte. This color right here, this really nice light brown shade. I'm just going to be applying that all over, above and in the crease. Is this another?
You already finished?
Finished what?
I thought you was recording.
I am recording. Look at baby Sophie, you guys. You good? I love you, kid. Anyway, now that we're done, finish applying that really nice light brown color above into the crease. So I'm going to be going into the color, I don't really know, I'm trying to think. She's very light. I think I'm just going to go into this color called Cashmere. This very light orange color. And I think I'm just going to be applying that all over into my lid and into the crease. I feel like she has more face makeup than she does eye makeup. So this is all that we're going to be doing basically for the eye look. She's just everything is very light. And I'm just going to be blending those two colors in together like this. Basically, this is done. Literally, this is all we're doing. I'm going to be adding probably a little bit of inner corner highlight, obviously some eyebrow highlight. But for pretty much now, I think I'm done. So yeah, I was going to do an eyeliner, but I realized that she didn't do. Okay, yeah, guys. So now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to be going in with my lashes. For lashes, okay, so first things first is now that I'm done with this, I'm going to be going straight into my lashes. No eyeliner, nothing. She doesn't use eyeliner. So yeah, I'm going to be going into the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Base as my primer. Okay, this is what I usually do before I'm putting on my lashes. The eyelashes look white because of the primer. But basically now I'm just going to be going in with my lashes. Basically, I like to apply a little bit of glue on the back of my hand. Like that much, a little dollop. What I do is first I will measure it to make sure that it fits my eye shape. And I usually will just simply bend them like that. Now that I know that they fit my eye, what I will usually do is get the glue. We're going to let it air dry like this. Just grab my lashes like this and apply them on. Just like that. I look so weird eyelashes on, I feel like. So you just kind of press them, that way they're the same together as my normal lashes. So now I'm going to be doing the same thing on the other side. Okay, now that these are pretty much on for good, finding my hair's coming out. My OG favorite mascara. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise. And I'm just going to be combining my real lashes to the falsies. Like that. Okay, next we're going to be doing... Oh, my hair looks so rose like that. Now we're going to be doing my base makeup by Too Faced Hangover Replenishing primer. I'm just going to be putting it all over my face. The foundation. This is in the color 300. Just giving that a good shake. Using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I don't have concealer in my hair. You know, great. Y'all see that? Using this BH Cosmetics 4 brush, I'm just going to be powdering like the tiniest little bit like ever. I'm just going to use a tiny bit all over my face. I don't really like baking. I have pretty dry skin, and so due to that I don't like to over bake. I'm going to be using the Park Ave Princess palette by Tarte. I'm going to be going into the darkest color, which is Crown, and bronzing. What is this, pH 3 brush? Then I will use this to kind of blend it out. Also, I'm going to be contouring my nose while I'm here. Just going to be grabbing this really small Morphe brush with a thing going into the lightest color, and I'm just going to be... I never usually do this, but she's a way more kind of like defined nose than me. Just like that. Next, of course, is a blush. For my blush today, I'm going to be using, guys, I swear my hair just doesn't stay in this hair clip. But we're just going to keep going. Today I'm going to be using the Becca and Chrissy Teigen palette. It looks like this. I'm going to go into this blush. This blush is called... Hibiscus Bloom. It's Morphe brush like this, and I'm just gonna go into this pink blush. Just adding that right there. I'm very apple on my cheeks. I look so pink. I'm just gonna go in with the blush, not brush. I'm going in with the brush that I used before, and for my powder. I'm just kind of make sure that that's all blended together, and there's a piece of hair. There we go. Next is highlight. So for my highlight today, I'm going to be using the Wet Set by Kylie. Actually, no, we're actually going to go back and we're going to be doing the lower lash line because that's like really bothering me. So I'm going in with this lower brush, and just once again, I'm taking those two colors, and I'm going to be putting it here on the... Alright, for highlight, I'm going to be using my Wet Set like I said before. I'm going to go into the shade Sweet Dreams, that really, really nice shade. A little brush. Just putting it across. It's so cool. I'm just gonna be applying some right there in the inner corner of my eyes. There you go. So then a corner highlight. Oof, 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 oof. Okay, now I'm going to be using my finger. Actually, no, I'm going to be using that same brush again for my nose highlight. And now I'm going to be just nicely applying that down the nose bridge. And of course, up on my eyebrow. Just a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Just like that. And I'm just gonna be using my finger now for my cheekbones like this. And here I'm just, I usually just kind of sweep it like that. I'm putting some on top of my cupid's bow and a little bit on my chin. See how a little bit goes such a long way? And then just a tiny little bit on my forehead. One, two step, one, two step. Next, I'm not going for lips. I'm not going to be doing a lipstick or anything like that. She's very natural. So I'm going to be using the Coco by Kylie Cosmetics gloss. This is in the color Damn Gina. It's a very sparkly gloss. And that's going to be applying. I'll be right back. I'm going to be applying the headband to my head, so I'll be right back.
Why do you actually look kind of good?
Were you expecting me not to look good?
No, Mila, you actually kind of look like her. Ew.
That's good then. Give me my hairspray, please. This is my finished look for Wonder Woman. Hope you guys like it. This is what it like turned out to look like. Let me bring the camera like here. This is what it pretty much looks like. Yeah. If you guys like this, if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel down below. And yeah, I'll be back with another video soon. And yeah, I'm kind of loving this makeup look right now. I need to make a thumbnail. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. Comment down below what other videos you'd like to see. Click the little bell to get notified whenever I do post another video. And yeah, bye. Sophie also said bye and that she loves you. Please subscribe to her mother. Bye.